Book of Heaven, Volume 12, December 10th, 1918. Effects of the Prayers of the Souls Who Are Intimate with Jesus. I was saying to my sweet Jesus, "See, I don't know how to do anything, nor do I have anything to give you, but I want to give you also my trifles. I unite these trifles of mine to thee all as you are, and I ask you for souls. Therefore, as I breathe, my breaths ask you for souls. The beating of my heart with an incessant cry asks you for souls. The motion of my arms, the blood that circulates in me, the batting of my eyelids, the moving of my lips, are souls that I ask of you. And this I ask united with you, with your love and in your will, so that all may hear my incessant cry that in you always asks for souls." Now, while I was saying this and yet more, my Jesus moved in my interior and told me,
"My daughter, how sweet and pleasing to me is the prayer of the souls who are intimate with me. How I feel my hidden life of Nazareth being repeated, without any exteriority, with no circle of people, with no sound of bells, all neglected, alone, so much so that I was barely known. I kept rising between heaven and earth, and I asked for souls, and not even a breath or a heartbeat escaped me which did not ask for souls. And as I did this, my blast resounded in heaven, and drew the love of the Father to grant me souls. And this sound, reverberating in the hearts, cried out with sonorous voice, 'Souls!' How many wonders did I not operate during my hidden life, known only to my Father in heaven and to my Mama on earth. The same for the hidden soul, who is intimate with me. As she prays, though no sound is heard on earth, her prayers, like bells, resound more vibrantly in heaven, to the extent of calling the whole of heaven to unite itself with her, and to let mercies descend upon earth, which resounding, not to the hearing, but to the hearts of creatures, may dispose them to convert."